Have you been trying to find a way to refer your friends to really great companies? You see a job on a career page for a company that your friend would be the perfect fit for. Now, how do you tell that company, hey, my friend is great? Old school employee referral programs are limited to internal referrals. Then how can I easily refer my friends to companies? Today, I am happy to share our answer, announcing Drafted Communities. With Drafted Communities, companies can curate, manage, and build their own referral communities. And anyone, advisors, investors, friends, customers, anyone can join, share their network, and refer their incredibly talented friends. Companies have already started building their communities with Drafted. Sign up, join a community or multiple communities, and refer your friends because it takes a community to grow a company.